Imagine a world where every idea, every dream, every goal you've ever had is within your reach. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But here's a secret. It can be your reality. Believing in yourself is the cornerstone of turning dreams into reality. When you have faith in your abilities, the world becomes an open canvas to paint your success story. Think of all the greats: Michael Jordan, Serena Williams, Elon Musk. They all started with a dream, a goal. They believed in themselves, and look where they are now, at the pinnacle of their respective fields. So what's stopping you? The only person standing in your way is you. Embrace your potential. Success isn't just about wealth or fame. It's about achieving what you set out to do. It's about breaking your own records, pushing your own boundaries, and becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to chase your dreams. So, wake up, work hard, believe in yourself, and make your dreams come true. Life is a journey. Make sure it's worth the ride. Believe in yourself and watch the magic unfold. Remember, you're unstoppable when you believe. Now get out there and make your dreams come true. And that's a wrap. Until next time, keep believing, keep achieving.